Hi, I am Musa Unmehopa, the chairman of the OMA Technical Plenary. We're here in Brooklyn, New York at the OMA Demo Day to see what some of the OMA member companies have done with OMA technology. Hello Thierry.
Hi Musa.
Can you tell me about your demo?
So my demo is about the Open Connection Management API, which is an enabler to provide an interface to connection manager application and a non-connection manager application to provide some service related around the connection management business. So how to connect, disconnect or from a different type of network, VLAN, but also of course 2G, 3G, 4G, and to provide additional service to any application like information status, like notification of particular event linked to the connection. If I am in roaming, to indicate that I am in roaming, to indicate, for example, that I am currently connected to Wi-Fi, and maybe in the future some service can develop and improve by knowing what is the status of this connection and taking a different behavior based on this information.
All right. And what is the benefit to network operators?
So the benefit for the network operators is that actually it's the benefit for everyone. It's that you do not have to redevelop anymore specific service and like a connection manager, but also some of this application. So you develop once, compliant with the API on top of your application, and then basically connect to different network, and you can develop services for the operator, but also for other companies that are not necessarily operator, without having to redevelop any time that you have a new device, a new modem to support, even with the same vendor. If you have a similar type of product, very often in the past it was leading to redeveloping the application on top, because there was a tweet that has changed, so you don't care anymore of what is the tweet between the API and the device level. You have one API, you develop on this, and that's the main driver. You do not redevelop anymore.
And how does the end user benefit?
It's again the same benefit. So for example, for a corporate where they need also to have particular service, particular connection management or other, they can define what is the user experience that they want, and then they will not need to redevelop this application. And for the let's say the ultimate end user, you will have also consistent interface and behavior of your application, regardless of of the device that you are using, and maybe in the future regardless of the operator that you are using, and you will have one tool, or you may have several tools, but that will present you the same quality of service, whatever the operator is behind, whatever the device you are using, and it will also avoid a lot of issue linked to very different implementation or different or fragmented world, where you in one case you have an issue which is different than in another case, and you don't know why you have this issue. So in the future, at least you will have a consistent user experience, and you will be able also, if there is issue, to diagnostic and to provide the right answer to the customer.
And when do you expect this will be deployed in networks and on devices?
So it's a device API, so by definition it's going to be deployed in the device. The quality is that it will support also, as I mentioned, 2G, 3G, 4G. So in essence it will support almost all the operators in the world. The first deployment will be before the end of the year, in Q4. We will have first commercial device implementing the OpenCMAPI. These are the devices that I'm showing today in the demonstration. So we have with Huawei first commercial device before the end of the year. Other vendors will also produce the same support and the same integration, maybe before the end of the year or beginning of next year. So that will be the first implementation for mobile broadband device, and hopefully very soon we will see other type of device implementing OpenCMAPI, like wireless routers, then M2M. It's probably one of the key areas where we have a strong benefits and where the challenges are exactly the same between what happened in mobile broadband and in the laptop industry. And we will see probably also M2M device implementing OpenCMAPI early 2013, and the next step is a smartphone, tablet, and so on.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.